You know, in any high-performance production line, efficiency is absolutely everything. And just like a strong, steady heartbeat is vital for a healthy body, keeping your machine parts perfectly clean, well, that's critical for the health of your factory. Today, we're going to look at what it takes to keep that heartbeat strong and steady. Let's dive in. Okay, if you're an SMT technician, this is a site you know all too well. On the left, yeah, that's the built-up grime, the residue, the gunk that just slows everything down. But on the right, that's the goal. Perfectly clean, ready for production. I mean, the difference is night and day, and figuring out how to get from the left to the right is what this is all about. So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to start by really defining the problem of grime. Then we'll introduce the SME 5200 as the solution, take a peek at its anatomy, and walk right through its automated cleaning process. After that, we'll get into the power and precision behind the clean, and finally, we'll look at those flawless results. All right, let's kick things off with the core issue. I want you to think of this buildup as a clogged artery in your production line. Seriously, it's a bottleneck that restricts the flow, it crushes efficiency, and, it can eventually lead to some really serious problems down the line. And wow, you can see just how severe this contamination can get. This is not a light dusting. We are talking about thick, baked-on flux residue, grease, and grime that just clings to everything. It can be a total nightmare to try and remove by hand. And look, it's not just one or two components. The list of parts that get hit by this is long. You've got your SMT fixtures and pallets, those critical reflow oven coolers and filters, the wave soldering oven claws, even chains and nets. Basically, any machine part that comes anywhere near flux is a candidate for this kind of performance-killing buildup. So, you've got this specific, really stubborn problem. The answer isn't some generic cleaner, right? No, you need a purpose-built intervention that's designed to tackle this exact issue head-on. And this is it, the Southern Machinery SME 5200. This is a serious piece of equipment. You can tell it's built for the factory floor, and it's designed from the ground up to solve this exact problem, of fixture and parts contamination. So what does it actually do? Well, this is the crucial part. The SME 5200 is a fully automated system. It's not just a washer. It handles the whole shebang, washing, rinsing, and drying to give you SMT fixtures and parts that aren't just clean, but are totally dry and ready for immediate use. Think about that. That means zero post-cleaning prep time, which gets rid of a really common and frustrating production bottleneck. Okay, now that we know what it is, let's pop the hood and see what makes this thing tick. We're going to break down the key systems that make this machine so effective. This diagram gives us a great bird's eye view of the internal layout. You can see it's all logically divided into these key functional units. You've got the clean room with the basket, the detergent tank for the wash cycle, and all the systems for rinsing and drying. And it's all governed by a central control unit. Now, a key feature for factory efficiency is always capacity. And this cleaning basket delivers. It's got a 1-meter diameter. That is crucial for cleaning big batches of fixtures all at once and really maximizing your throughput. So, we've seen the hardware, now let's talk about the process. That step-by-step automated operation that takes a part from being caked in grime to perfectly clean. The real beauty of this whole system is just how simple it is for the operator. It is literally a one-touch cycle. You load up the dirty fixtures, hit the button, and the machine just takes over. It does a high-pressure wash, then a clear water rinse, and then a really powerful high-flow hot air dry. So what's the final step for the operator? Just unloading parts that are immediately ready to go right back on the line. And how long does that whole cycle take? Just 30 to 40 minutes. Now, stop and compare that to manual cleaning. That can take hours of skilled labor, give you inconsistent results, and you still have to wait for things to dry. This isn't just faster, it's a predictable, repeatable process that turns hours of downtime into less than one. So how does it get everything so clean? This number is the key, 720 degrees of spray coverage. This system uses nozzles from the top, the bottom, and the front, all while the basket is rotating. This makes sure that high-pressure spray hits every single surface from every possible angle. There is absolutely nowhere for grime to hide. Okay, so the process is smart, but it's driven by some seriously robust technology. Let's dive a little deeper into the engineering that delivers such a powerful and reliable clean. This right here, this is the muscle. We're looking at high-quality, big-flow cleaning pumps that give you the pressure you need to just blast away that baked-on flux. And that giant air blower, that's not just for show. It generates a massive flow of hot air to drastically cut down the drying time. In the brains of the operation, just as impressive. A quick look inside the electrical panel shows you top-tier components. We're talking a Mitsubishi PLC and contactors from Schneider. Now, for any technician out there seeing these well-known or reliable brand names, that means peace of mind, it means easier maintenance, and it means trusted performance.
The entire machine, the body, the tanks, the pipes, everything, is made from SUS 304 stainless steel. Now, this isn't just about looking good. On a factory floor, this means superior resistance to corrosion and the kind of heavy-duty durability that translates to a long, reliable service life. This thing is built to last.
All right, for those of you who need the hard numbers, here are some key specs. You've got a basket size of 1,000 by 200 millimeters, 80-liter capacities for both the liquid and the rinse tanks, and the machine itself weighs in at 600 kilograms. These specs just confirm what you can see. It's a high-capacity, industrial-grade machine. So all this technology, all this heavy-duty engineering, it all leads to one thing, the final result. We're coming full circle now, right back to restoring that healthy, efficient heartbeat for your production line. And this is what it's all about. On the left, a reflow oven cooler that is completely clogged with flux, which just kills its thermal efficiency. And on the right, that exact same cooler after one cycle in the SME 5200. It's not just clean, its performance has been restored. It has gone from clogged and inefficient to clean and optimal. You know, this quote from the source material really says it all. The goal isn't just to have clean parts. The goal is to have parts that are very clean and dry, ready to use at any time. That right there is the crucial benefit, minimizing downtime and keeping that production line moving. So, it really leaves us with a final question to think about. I want you to consider your own fixtures, your own coolers and pallets. Is your production line running at its absolute peak performance, or are clogged arteries slowing it down? Maybe it's time for a checkup.